How to use myhealthpays rewards card. Activate your myhealthpays card by calling 1-888-514-6841. Have your 16-digit card number, 4-digit birth year, and choose a 4-digit PIN. Use the card in-store, like Walmart, by selecting debit or online as a debit card. It can't be used for cashback, ATMs, or restricted items like alcohol, tobacco, firearms, or lottery tickets. Rewards can be used for utilities, gas, electric, water, cable, phone bills or cell phones, ride shares or public transit, childcare, education, rent, and approved Walmart purchases. Check your balance through your member portal by calling 1-866-809-1091 or contacting member services. Rewards expire 365 days after earning or 90 days after coverage ends.